Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the feature line from pipes command. Oftentimes when working with pipe networks, we have needs for creating feature lines from the pipe network. And so we have a command in pipe network productivity tools that allows us to do that. And there's a few different ways that it works. And so let's start with the settings. When we get into the settings, we go to feature line from pipes command, and you can see initially we have the elevation mode. So here you can control where the feature line gets generated along any of these points in the pipes. Next, you have the option for, it defaults to creating for feature lines. So you have some options in here as far as what the feature line layer, style, and site are. And then you have the option of overriding that and creating it as a polyline to a specific layer. I'll click apply. And now when I run feature line from pipes, I get a few different selection modes similar to what we have in pipe network productivity tools. Network mode will find all pipes in the given network. So let's go ahead and run that. And we're going to use the sanitary network here. And I'm not going to filter. And then it's going to prompt me, do I want to trim the feature line at the inside edge of the structure? So you have that option, yes or no. I'm going to say yes. Let's go ahead and trim it. And so now we get a feature line for every pipe within our network. And if we take a look at the structure, you can see it's trimmed at that structure. So that's easily can be then exported out, and you can do whatever you need to with these feature lines. Next, we'll run it again, and I'm going to use the path mode instead here. And path is going to allow us to pick a start structure or pipe and an end structure or pipe. Now, when we run this mode, we're going to get one feature line through the system, and it's going to put the jumps in between the system. And so when I run that, no, I don't want to filter, and then I get that feature line here. And when I hover over it, or if I zoom down at this end where you can really see the jumps, you can see what I mean here. So we're connecting the feature line in there. So those are kind of the different modes. The alignment mode works similar to the network mode, where it's just going to grab everything out of that. And that'll get you those feature lines from the pipe network. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.